Hey crypto enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into the world of Polygon and its native cryptocurrency, POL. Get ready to explore a blockchain platform that's making waves in the crypto space. Polygon is all about making crypto faster, cheaper, and more accessible for everyone. Polygon is a Layer 2 solution. That means it sits on top of another blockchain, Ethereum, to help it run smoother. Imagine Ethereum as a busy highway during rush hour. Things can get slow and expensive. Polygon is like adding express lanes to that highway, making transactions faster and cheaper. At the heart of the Polygon ecosystem lies POL, its native cryptocurrency. POL is the fuel that powers this innovative platform, enabling users to participate in its growth and governance. In this comprehensive guide, we'll break down everything you need to know about Polygon and POL. From its humble beginnings as Matic network to its ambitious plans for the future, prepare yourself for an exciting journey into the world of blockchain innovation. Buckle up, because things are about to get interesting. Polygon's story began in 2017, founded by a team of brilliant minds from India, Jayanti Kanani, Sandeep Nailwal, and Anurag Arjun. They envisioned a future where blockchain technology was accessible and scalable enough for mainstream adoption. Back then, the crypto world was still young, and Ethereum, the most popular platform for building decentralized applications, was facing growing pains. Transaction fees were skyrocketing, and the network was getting congested. Polygon, initially known as Matic Network, emerged as a solution. They developed a Layer 2 scaling solution designed to alleviate Ethereum's congestion and high fees. Their solution involved creating a sidechain that ran parallel to the Ethereum mainnet. This sidechain, secured by its own set of validators, allowed for much faster and cheaper transactions. This innovation quickly gained traction, and Polygon, fueled by its native token Matic, began its journey to becoming a major player in the blockchain space. As Polygon evolved, it became clear that its ambitions extended far beyond just being a scaling solution for Ethereum. They envisioned a multi-chain future, where different blockchains could seamlessly interact and share liquidity. To achieve this vision, a major upgrade was needed. In 2024, Polygon announced the transition from Matic to POL, its new and improved native cryptocurrency. POL was designed to be more than just a token for paying transaction fees. It became the heart of the Polygon ecosystem, powering a wide range of functionalities. The POL upgrade marked a pivotal moment in Polygon's journey. It signaled their commitment to interoperability, scalability, and community governance. The transition was smooth, with Matic holders able to swap their tokens for POL on a one-to-one basis. This upgrade set the stage for Polygon to become a leading force in the multi-chain future of blockchain technology. POL is more than just a digital currency. It's the lifeblood of the Polygon network. It empowers users to participate in the network's growth and governance. Let's break down the key functions of POL. First, staking. By staking POL, users contribute to the network's security and earn rewards. Think of it as depositing your POL into a special account to help validate transactions and secure the network. In return, you receive a share of the newly minted POL as a reward for your contribution. Next, governance. POL holders have a voice in shaping the future of Polygon. They can propose and vote on important decisions, such as technical upgrades or changes to the network's parameters. This ensures that the Polygon ecosystem remains community-driven and responsive to the needs of its users. Then, gas fees. Like any blockchain, Polygon requires a small fee for processing transactions. These fees, paid in POL, incentivize validators to process transactions quickly and efficiently. Think of it as paying a small toll to use the Polygon network's fast and secure infrastructure. And finally, rewards. Beyond staking rewards, POL holders can earn additional tokens through various programs and initiatives within the Polygon ecosystem. For example, developers who build innovative applications on Polygon can receive grants and rewards in POL. This incentivizes the creation of a thriving and diverse ecosystem of decentralized applications. So let's talk about how Polygon really unlocks scalability through what I like to call its technological trifecta. Polygon isn't just a single blockchain. It's actually this whole ecosystem of interconnected scaling solutions, and each one is designed to tackle specific challenges and, make things smoother for everyone. Imagine it like a toolbox, right? Each tool in there is made for a different job. Now, here are the three main technologies that power the Polygon network. First up, we have the Polygon POS chain. This is the original flagship chain, and it's built using a mix of plasma and proof-of-stake consensus mechanisms. Basically, it gives folks a fast and cost-effective way to interact with Ethereum-compatible applications. Next is Polygon ZK EVM. That stands for Zero Knowledge Ethereum Virtual Machine. It's a pretty advanced piece of tech that bundles transactions together off-chain, then submits them to the Ethereum mainnet as one transaction. This approach really slashes transaction costs and boosts throughput, which is honestly a big deal. And finally, there's Polygon CDK, or the Chain Development Kit. This is a powerful tool for developers. It lets them build their own custom blockchains tailored to whatever they need. These chains get to tap into the security and interoperability of the Polygon ecosystem, but with the flexibility to customize their features and functionalities. One of Polygon's primary goals is to make interacting with Ethereum more accessible and affordable. Think of Polygon as a bridge that connects you to the Ethereum blockchain, but with a smoother and more cost-effective experience. Polygon achieves this by processing transactions off the Ethereum mainnet, either on its sidechains or using ZK rollups. These transactions are then batched together and submitted to Ethereum, significantly reducing the load on the mainnet and lowering transaction fees for users. This approach allows users to enjoy the benefits of Ethereum's security and decentralization without the high costs and slow transaction speeds. It's like, having your cake and eating it too. Polygon's interoperability with Ethereum opens up a world of possibilities, allowing developers to build and deploy decentralized applications that are accessible to a wider audience. Polygon's technology has already found its way into a wide range of real-world applications, showcasing its versatility and potential to revolutionize various industries. In decentralized finance, or DeFi, platforms like Aave, QuickSwap, and Curve have integrated with Polygon to offer users faster and cheaper transactions. This allows users to lend, borrow, and trade crypto assets with greater efficiency and lower costs. When it comes to non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, Polygon has become a popular choice for NFT marketplaces and platforms due to its low transaction fees. OpenSea, the world's largest NFT marketplace, integrated Polygon, making it more affordable for artists and collectors to create, buy, and sell NFTs. In the gaming world, blockchain-based games are gaining traction, and Polygon is at the forefront of this revolution. Games like Zed-Run and Decentraland have chosen Polygon for its scalability and low transaction fees, providing a smoother and more enjoyable gaming experience. Enterprise adoption is also on the rise, with major companies like Reddit, Starbucks, Nike, and Meta recognizing the potential of Polygon's technology. They've integrated Polygon to enhance their products and services. For example, Starbucks uses Polygon to power its loyalty program, allowing customers to earn and redeem rewards. Reddit utilizes Polygon for its community points system, rewarding users for their contributions. These partnerships, honestly, highlight the growing adoption of Polygon in the mainstream world. Tokenomics refers to the economic model of a cryptocurrency. POL's tokenomics are designed to encourage participation in the network and ensure its long-term sustainability. Here's a breakdown of POL tokenomics. The total supply is capped at 10 billion tokens. This fixed supply helps control inflation and ensures the value of POL remains relatively stable. When POL was launched, existing Matic holders received an equal amount of POL, ensuring a fair and transparent transition. The remaining tokens are allocated to various stakeholders, including the Polygon Foundation, the team, and community initiatives. Users who stake POL to secure the network earn a portion of the newly minted POL as a reward. This incentivizes users to participate in securing the network and helps distribute tokens more widely. POL holders also have the power to propose and vote on changes to the Polygon network. This ensures that the platform remains community-driven and responsive to the needs of its users. Polygon is constantly evolving, with ambitious plans to further enhance its technology and expand its reach. The future of Polygon is all about pushing the boundaries of what's possible with blockchain technology. Here are some key areas where Polygon is focusing its efforts. First up, Polygon 2.0. This ambitious roadmap outlines Polygon's vision for the future, with a focus on creating a fully interconnected network of blockchains. Imagine a seamless world where different blockchains can interact and share liquidity effortlessly. Next, Polygon is continuously improving its ZK EVM technology, aiming to make it even faster, cheaper, and more efficient. This will further solidify Polygon's position as a leading Layer 2 scaling solution. And finally, Polygon is actively working on integrating with other major blockchains, such as Cosmos and Polkadot. This will allow for seamless communication and asset transfers between different blockchain ecosystems, fostering greater innovation and collaboration. Polygon's dedication to innovation, coupled with its growing ecosystem of developers and users, positions it as a major force in the future of blockchain technology. As the crypto space continues to evolve, Polygon is, honestly, well-positioned to be at the forefront of this exciting revolution.